Hello, welcome back to my cocktail blog. Today I show you how to make the Salty Bird cocktail. The Salty Bird cocktail is a tiki cocktail with a salty taste. And I will now show you how to make it. For that I need a cocktail shaker, and I fill my cocktail shaker with some up. And then I need some light rum. I take Bacardi white and I need 45 milliliters of light rum. 45 milliliters. And I need some pineapple juice. Also 45 milliliters of pineapple juice. And I need some Campari and Italian bitter. I need 22.5 milliliters of Campari. And also I need freshly squeezed lime juice. I have prepared some lime juice and I need 15 milliliters of lime juice. And also for the sweetness I need some sugar syrup or simple syrup. I need 7.5 milliliters of simple syrup. And now I need a pinch of salt. Here we are. And everything is now into my shaker, and now I will shake it. And I will take a glass and I will put some crushed ice into the glass. And now I will strain the Salty Bird cocktail inside. And in the end I garnish it with a lime slice. Here we are, the Salty Bird cocktail. And I say now, cheers and goodbye. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel.